In this video, I am going to show you how to add this handheld camera shake effect to your still videos using Premiere Pro. With your clip already on your timeline, something that was shot on a tripod, completely still like this footage, create an adjustment layer by coming here to new item icon, then adjustment layer, and then place it on top of the clip. Adjust it to the length of your clip as well. Next, go to the Effects tab, search for the Transform effect, then drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Go to Effect Controls and under Transform effect, change the scale value to something like 115 and do not create a keyframe. This is to give us some room for the shake effect. Still under Transform effect, go to Position and create a keyframe in the beginning of the clip and in the end as well. Between here is where we will be changing the position to make our shake. For example, starting from this first keyframe, let's move a few frames forward and adjust the position up and down. Then move a bit forward again and adjust the position up and down. If we play this, you can see some shake in between our points. All we need to do is repeat it all through. Once you have a set, you can actually copy and paste them around. Now that we are done, let's select all the keyframes, Control-click, and select Continuous Bezier to make it more smooth. Here's the final effect. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Kwaheri.